Okay, so basically, I filmed another video like the last one, but this time Harry, Will and I wanted to go to Freo and look for clothes and whatnot. So I decided to bring my camera down and take some photos there. But yeah, this time I used my Canon 6D Mark II with 35mm f2 lens on it. And we didn't actually end up getting anything, but this is what went down. Yeah. Oh, hey, oh. Yeah. Oh, fuck, I forgot his bag.
You gonna go get it?
Yeah. I woke up with a throat tingle.
Really? I had that the other day.
It's pretty trash.
Yeah, do you feel snotty?
Yeah.
Where? Oh.
Turn it down on your phone.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Should I be?
Oh, yeah, I'll message them.
Ah, screwed. No.
This is not English.
Yeah, I got super carried away watching Love Actually last night.
Really?
Where is he? Is anyone even in there? You just said.
One of those self-driving ones?
A Tesla truck.
That's a thing soon. Move, bitch. Nice. Boring. Jesus Christ, it's hot.
Bro, I hell feel like ice cream.
Wish I had a long lens.
Yeah, hot shot fine. This is like fine.
That's gonna take a lot of editing. I need to learn to press record on my mic. There we go. That was lit. Woohoo! Wait, look. One way.
Oh, that's sick.
Oh, oats.
Or oats. When am I gonna sell them? As soon as I sell my soul. That's so intimidating. Oh yeah, this is where I went with.
How Americans call it.
I got my oregano at Notre Dame. Hold on, is this made out of aluminum?
Yeah, so I moved here in Notre Dame.
You're just like, yank, swine.
New York is what these dudes talk.
Man, I miss my hometown, New York. I got angry at myself, so I just took photos of my face.
Where's the op shops and stuff?
Don't know, we need to hit them up.
No, I'm not now.
Then why'd you ask? Fuck it, it's not worth it. Biggest L. Ever seen an L that big? As soon as I get there, turn the camera on and everything just runs off.
Nah, some dude came into Rebel and like bought something and he's from the bank upstairs.
Yeah.
He just had like a hell like important dude's name. Like I can't, it was like Alan Fleming or something like that. Does that not just sound like a CEO to you? Yeah.
Sweet chili chicken. Yum. Yeah, I might get a milkshake too for the shits and gigs. Could I please have the sweet chili chicken?
Yeah.
And a iced mocha, please.
Ice mocha. Is cream and ice cream okay?
Yeah, sure. Are you leaving? Thank you very much. It looks like I'm taking photos of it, but I'm not.
Kombucha.
Success. Cheers. Service with a small dose. Hey! Hey! Yeah, that's what I mean. Aw, boys. I got it. I want to do something. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
You can get biodegradable plastic straws now. That's way better than paper ones.
For sure.
The paper ones suck. Yeah. You're like, as soon as you get like 3 minutes into the drink, it's just like,
It's just legit, just like.
and you like put your mouth on it, it just comes off, and you're like,
Sags.
where you wrong?
How much?
350. Chop you on? Thanks. You get one?
Oh, why not?
Just one each. Yeah. Okay. Cheers.
T-shirt you showed me that.
But to be honest, it would have been. Well, that looks like brand new. It's DS, man. DS. Things are too colourful.
Dude, those are. What the fuck?
That's pretty cool. That's like my nautical one.
Shorts. Yeah, that is sick.
It's FUBU. 110. Bruh. $169 for this guest shirt.
Wait, these are just dowdy shorts.
Yeah. Dowdy goes swimming once.
Daddy does not swim at all. And all he wears is board shorts.
Daddy's the kind of person to wear a rashy if he goes swimming. The only body of water is his own sweat after he's finished the day on the electrical.
A day in the roofs with the fucking insulation. Why can I not just have all the money? Do me a favour. Can you hold on to this?
This is where mine's meant to be. What is this? No, this is butcher shop.
Oh man.
Shall I look up where this other one is?
Yeah. Feels a bit weird with cameras walking around children. I thought this would be cooler, to be honest. Well, fuck. Might as well just do something. Good enough. That shit. Bro, she hooned. Just, she legit punched me out of the street.
I know.
It's like, boom.
It's a really nice shot though.
Yeah, it's nice acorn. My back hurts too much to. Oh. Wait. You've got to get it.
I want to story it too.
Oh, I've pulled up too early. Oh, we're too respectful. Alright, there's nothing here.
I cannot believe that.
Alright, let's go. Plug is my little white boy smile, like.
Yeah, the photo's like blurry. Your face is like. I don't know.
I look so white as well.
I've only been to cheek like twice.
I've been nuts. I wonder if anyone's been on that in the last 2 years.
Oh, they're going on it.
Wow. What a shit
I
day.
think I saw legs.
Hop in when it's there.
Oh, I see people.
Hopefully
There's
don't get
people.
cleaned up.
There's
Do
people.
you want to get to go on it once? Is that, woo!
Alright, off.
I can see Fremantle, now I can't.
Should we lie down and play chicken?
Who do you want to marry?
You.
Well, I'll win because I just want to die. So.
Hey?
Will just went to take a piss.
Oh, right. Did you find the toilet? Finally take this thing off. Yes. Yup!
Pull up in the roof, come.
Oh, me window fell out. Oi, legit. That isn't good. So yeah, I admit that was like quite a long video, but we did get like 4 million photos, so yeah. But it was a pretty funny day. Instead of editing them all and showing you all the trash ones, I'm just gonna like curate the top 5 of like the coolest ones I thought, and then like tell you why I like them. So first off, we have this one of like Will and Harry trying to cross the road. I like the sandy tones and like how Harry's shirt is like the same color as the bit on Will's shoes in the sky, and like yeah, it was very tonal. Secondly, there's this old fella walking like in front of this like orange and blue building. The composition was super flat and the colors were all complementary, so yeah. Oh yeah, and the guy's walking the same way as the sign. Yeah, the third photo is kind of pointless, but like it was real minimal, so like I liked how the red bit popped against the the brown wall and like all that shit. The fourth one's like just toying with the two dudes like wearing pink shirts like back to back, and the arcade neons like next to each other. Behind it is just like it complements the pastel tones of the photos, and if you want to stretch it that far, you could probably comment about like masculinity, wearing pink and whatnot. But yeah, it's a stretch. And finally, there's like another flat composition that it was just like the guy walking past the white building. Yeah, I thought that was real cool, but it was like very similar to the first one, or the second one I mean. But yeah, this one's like a different color palette. I just liked it as well. Kind of toying with the idea of like flat minimal bits. Do the same as last time and like vote your favorite at the top right, whatever side. And yeah, just let me know which one you think's the best. And if you enjoyed it, feel free to chuck a like and share it with your mates and smash that motherfucking sub button. And yeah, thanks for watching.